So this is the Amaran 60x. We have this ability to change the temperature of the light. So color temperature 2700K to 6500K. With the Aputure products, what you're able to do is control all of the lights from your phone, which is awesome. So imagine that you're in a wedding reception and you go from all the dance performances, and then they open up for the reception dancing, and you want to turn off your lights, right? Because you don't want to have your huge lights on while people are just trying to have fun. You can just go ahead and like turn it off, or you could even kind of fade it out so that it's not as jarring when you turn on and off your lights. So that's what's really cool. This Amaran 60x is a 60-watt light, so I'm hoping that this will be good for just a generic flood. So this is actually this is a nice case. You can tell, I mean, it's like plastic, but pretty strong. And this is like, I spent what, $200 on this? So very cheap in terms of price here. Okay, so it's laid out. This is the light, very, very small and compact. So you can see here, this light is tiny, right? This is really cool. And it has an attachment for a V-mount. So if I go ahead and grab a V-mount battery, and I got these small, again, the name of the game here is portability, but I got these small IDX V-mount batteries. And so all you have to do is just take your light, take your battery, and just put it right in there. And you have now, this is your fully functioning light. Of course, you have to plug it in. So what I'm going to do is do a V-mount. I'm going to plug in the V-mount into here. So let me just unbox this and see what comes in the box. So we have this light focusing hood, and this is fabric diffusion. So we'll go ahead and take a look at what this is. Fabric diffusion. I wonder how good this is. So it looks like it's a little diffusion. It's like a shower cap. It's like a little diffusion shower cap. I'm guessing that it can go on top of this. The reality is, when I'm using this light, I'm most likely going to add a softbox, right? I think this is a Bowens mount in the front over here. So let's just see if we're able to pull that out. You can see here, I got this light, and I'm gonna see if I can just attach one of my... Okay, so this is a little excessive. This big guy, the Bowens mount, does clamp onto here. This is the lantern. So you can see that the softbox is enormous compared to the light itself. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna test out like turning it on and checking, but you guys can just kind of take my word for it if it'll work. I'll put it in the comments if it works out well. So it does fit. I mean, it's a regular Bowens mount, so you can just put your softbox right on top, and build quality is pretty nice. Literally small and compact, and that's exactly what I want. Now I'm not going to test out like on camera all the different like features of the Amaran. I'm sure you can find that from some other videos. I'm literally just unboxing this and judging it based on what we get. So it looks like we also get in the box here, this seems like a little clamp that we can attach on a 1/4 inch down here to attach the light. So we're able to do that. It's almost like a little mini magic clamp. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, so it comes with this clamp right here that we can use to position the light where we want it. And this guy on the bottom here will go right into a stand. So this is actually very helpful and very portable. Again, the name of the game is portability here. Let's see what else it comes with. So we have this NPF battery to DC adapter. So for the NPF battery to DC adapter, Like, I don't use NPF because it just, you know, I switched to V-mount batteries because it's a lot more convenient. So I'm not going to use this, but it's good to know that you can use it. And then over here we have a, what is this? Just a power cord that can go directly. So these two guys are just like the power cord that'll just go into the outlet if you want to plug it in. So it looks like we don't have a DC, we don't have a power adapter from the V-mount. That's interesting. That's very surprising. We need to be able to plug in from our V-mount battery to the Amaran, but it does not come with the cable, the D-tap to DC. So what we need is a D-tap to DC cable here to get this to turn on. And I'm gonna go ahead and look for that. I'll pause the cameras right now and come right back. But that's basically what's in here. You get a little shower cap, you get a light focusing hood, you have an NPF battery adapter, and then a power cord. So, and the NPF battery adapter, I mean. So very affordable and very small and compact, which is what we love. We love these small and compact stuff. The build quality is actually very good. For so cheap, I don't know how they're managing to get this done for so cheap. Somebody's not getting paid. But yeah, like this is a great value. And as long as it's reliable, then I think we can use it. So it goes to show that nowadays things are getting very affordable, things are getting very small and easy to use, so you can have a production level quality without breaking the bank. So this is basically what it looks like at the end of the day. Really nice. All right, so that was the Amaran 60x, very tiny light.